Well, this isn't true anymore. So you can get a mortgage now without showing income. So if you are self-employed and you mastered your taxes, basically not showing any income but making a ton of money, I can get you a mortgage. You need at least a 680 credit score. You got to put 20% down. Primary residence. We can even do it on investment properties too, but as the rules are a little bit different. So if you are getting paid weird, not showing all your income, not letting Uncle Sam take all your money or a good portion of it, I'm your guy. Reach out to me. I'll help you get a mortgage, even though you're not showing income. You do not need to have a steady source of income to buy a house anymore. I know what you're gonna say. Oh, here comes 2008. No, because in 2008, I was doing mortgages, and if you could breathe, we called it the breath test. Yep, I can feel you breathing, you get a mortgage. You could basically work at McDonald's, say you made $120,000 a year, and we'd give you a house. You could put 5% down. They called it a fast and easy loan with Countrywide Mortgage. People on the inside called it a fast and sleazy, because if you had, let's say, a 780 score, I don't remember the details this long ago. If you had a 780 score, 5% down, and you had a job, you could say whatever you wanted and you could get a mortgage. So those days are gone, right? They also had these pay option arms. Listen to this. You could do 4 different payment options. I'm trying to think who the lender was. You could do 4 different payment options. You could do a 30-year fixed, a 15-year fixed, an interest only, or a neg am. So I could have $1 million mortgage payment, or a $1 million mortgage loan, and my payment could be 4 different things. And with those 4 different things, I could have negative interest. So I put 5% down on the property, and within 2 years, I owe more than what I paid for it, because they were counting on values going up. So when values went down, you couldn't refinance, your arm adjusted, and your rate went up, and now you actually had to pay 5 or 7 grand a month instead of 1,500. So that's why this is not 2008. So anyway, if you need a mortgage, you don't show income because you're really good at taxes, call me. I'm your guy.